And we're back. Weather reports have reported, predicted rain. Well, some light showers, but that shouldn't bother you too much. And back then, such minor showers would have short-circuited the entire city as I see it through my window. It's kind of weird to think about it. That a lot of things to see, but not really much of other things that aren't people. Yeah, not even birds or anything like that. Well, let's talk about a bit about the mythical creature, the bird. I'm sure you have heard about what birds are, or at least read them in those modules that you had in your school. But how many have you seen? Who can ever say it such confidence that they indeed have seen a bird? Well, I can safely say that I've seen quite a few in my time, but you probably won't believe me. Well, look, the sun is about to set, and if you are in some spot that isn't as bright as this place, you might probably see some pretty little dots up in the sky. And I don't mean the moon. Well, that should be enough talking crazy for now. I'll just leave you with some wise words. Don't hit your door on the way out. That's all for me tonight. Goodbye.